Hi, my name is Youngjin Song, and today I'll be demoing my MP3 submission. So basically, my idea for MP3 was to include the functionality for the user to upload their own image when they wanted to create a favorite place and then display that image on the map. So I'll just go ahead and demo that right now. So long click here just creates a new place. Just putting in some text. This is my place. Yes. And so what it basically did was create a third button along with this save and cancel button. So this upload photo goes into the phone gallery and just gives the ability for the user to select a photo. And then I also created this image view thing, which is right below the three buttons here, and that just displays the image that the user wants to upload. And then saving this will create a new place. And the one thing I wasn't able to do was actually display the image on the map, so that's the last component which I wasn't quite able to do. And I'll just talk about that a little later. So I'll just go into my code here. So I did most of my work in the add place activity, and I used a lot of the same logic as the save and cancel buttons. So right here is my code for the photo button, and so what this basically did was just allow the user to pick their own photo from the gallery. And then down here, this was the code that takes that user uploaded image and actually puts it into the image view below the three buttons. And yeah, I added both those components in the XML file. So here you can see the photo button, and then the image view, which stores the actual user uploaded image. And then I can talk about why I wasn't able to upload the image to the map. So I tried a couple things here. I was basically converting it to a bitmap and a drawable, and then using this set icon to upload the image to the map, but that didn't quite work. Another thing I tried was changing the parameter to the place object to accept like an image, but I also couldn't get that to work. So yeah, that was the one feature I wasn't quite able to get right. I can still talk about my resources now. Oh, nope, that's the wrong. Okay, yeah. So I used a lot of the documentation for Android developers. So this photo picker article was really useful for me in just writing the code to let the user pick their own image. This buttons article helped me with creating the photo upload button, and this image view was helpful in my creating of the image view. And then I used a couple of Stack Overflow articles which were quite helpful for me. And so one challenge I did run into a couple of times was figuring out basically how to take the user uploaded image and display it in the actual image view below the three buttons. That took me quite a lot of time, but eventually to resolve my issue, I came across this Picasso library, which is basically just an image downloading library for Android, and this allowed me to solve that issue and in one line, and just allow me to upload the image in the image view. And this was something that took quite a while, but I was able to get it done in the end. So yeah, I think that's about everything. So this is my commit. Let's see if it works. Yeah, there we go. There's my commit and push. This is just to show that my code does actually compile as well. So yeah, here you go.